Hi first graders, welcome back. This is the second part to Monday's video. This is what we would normally be doing as a class, so today we're going to be doing it on here. So Miss K has a lot of shapes that look like triangles and these that we've used in the classroom. So I know you can't see those today, but I drew you some shapes up here. So what we're going to do is our task here today is to add all of these shapes together. So we need to add the triangles, square, and the purple trapezoids together. So we are going to try to learn a faster way to do this. I'm going to teach you a trick today. So we are going to be using the number 10. So before we start with that, first I want you to take a minute, and you can even pause this video to count how many blue triangles there are. So I want you to count this group right here. So take a minute to do that. Okay, so you should have counted that there were 9 blue triangles. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to write 9 down here so we remember. Okay, now this is an easy one. I know you'll know this. How many red squares are there? Right here. You're right, there is only 1. And finally, how many purple trapezoids do you see here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's write 4 here. So sometimes I think it's kind of confusing to think, what is 9 plus 1 plus 4? Sometimes my brain can get a little confused by that. So here's the trick I'm going to teach you today. We are going to work on making a group of 10. So let's look at our 3 numbers on here. How can we make a group of 10 by adding the shapes together? Take a moment to look at our 3 groups of shapes and think, how can I make one group of 10? So I know one way that I can make a group of 10 is to add my 9 triangles in one square. So I'm going to circle these together so we know that they are in one big group now. Okay, so now that I have 9 triangles in one square, I know that there are 10 shapes. So now how many more shapes do we have to add on? We still have to add the purple trapezoids. So we have to add 4 purple trapezoids. Now take a moment to think to yourself, what is 10 plus 4? You're right, it is 14. So we made our problem a lot easier for ourselves by learning this trick, because instead of doing 9 plus 1 plus 4, which might take our brain longer to think of, we know we can make a group of 10. So we made a group of 10 by adding these 2 groups of shapes and then adding our final group. So instead of doing 9 plus 1 plus 4, we did 10 plus 4, which equals 14. So hopefully you understand that. And in today's problem set that I have for you in your packet, you are going to do the same thing. So in the first problem, if you're looking at it now, has apples, bananas, and pears. And they showed you, just like I did, they circled one group to make 10. So in the next problem, in number 2, I want you to draw the 4 dolls, the 7 balls in 3 games. And you can just use shapes for this. So maybe instead of dolls, I'll just use stars. So I want you to draw 3 groups and then think about, which 2 groups can I circle to make 10? So hopefully you will understand that, and it is asking you to add the 3 numbers together to get your total, and then it's asking you 10 plus whichever number you have left, like we did up here. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, or I can set up a FaceTime appointment with you. So good luck working through these, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!